fight with them. No, because I refuse to go and do anything at that place that way.
Coughing. Alright, go. Coughing. Alright, go. Alright, go. Alright, go. Alright, go. Alright. Alright, go. Alright, go.
Honestly, Numinous, up till now I'm not getting myself. I have to go and meet this doctor again. In fact, honestly, throughout yesterday now, could you believe I did not sleep? Jessica, my baby, you were telling me that you were not feeling fine when we sat in the sitting room. But I thought you were with the doctor yesterday and you told me he prescribed some drugs for you. So what happened? Oh, malakulala. Numinous, see, I'm not sure that this doctor knows his job. I complained of cough. I told him I'm having cough. Could you believe he gave me different medicine? He went and gave me flagyl and paracetamol. How does those two things correlate? See, Numinous, I'm tired. Honestly, I'm fed up. You have to go and meet him again. I guess you didn't get your complaint right. So you have to go and meet him and make your explanation again. Good afternoon to you, doctor. Good afternoon to you, young lady. If I can recall, you were here yesterday. How is your health? Hopefully, you are getting better now. See, doctor, I'm not okay at all. After all you told me you're a doctor, I raised my complaint to you. I told you I'm having cough. You went and give me stomachache problem medicine. You went and give me flagyl. How does those two things correlate? Flagyl and cough. Please, doctor, I don't think you know your job. This small girl. This small girl comes from nowhere. She wants to play with my intelligence. After all, I studied doctorate degree in London. From there, I further for my master's in India. Before I got transferred here to Nigeria. What are you trying to tell me? I don't know my job? In fact, doctor, I can see. You are a well-recognized international doctor studying in India and back to London, deported to Nigeria. Wow. I told you I'm having cough. You went and gave me flagyl and paracetamol. How does those things correlate? Cough, stomach problem, medicine. Wow. I think you are the one that's supposed to release this new song that is Daniel's song. Cough. Something moving like... Please and please subscribe to our channel, please and please. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. It helps you to get notified the moment we drop our videos. Subscribing to our channel is the only way we can know you love our videos. And don't forget to comment, share and like. We love you all.